Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Uh, Today I will present the article I wrote with title Perceptual Motor Development as a Foundation for Youth Sport Specialization. The first is risk of early specialization, uh, overuse, burnout, and drop. Perceptual motor development integrates with perception, cognition, motor execution, underpinning sport skills. Fundamental movement skill is a repertoire and perceptual motor development, perception, action, indexing. The research question is one, which perceptual motor development components best predict your sport performance? Two, when are the developmental windows most responsive? Three, which training design and disease are most effective for transfer and retention. The methods of the research, we conducted a Prisma-graded systematic review across PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar, 2016 until 2025. Inclusion, typically developing youth 3 until 18 years old with perceptual motor development and fundamental movement skill or sports performance outcomes, primary studies and relevance review, exclusion, opinion pieces and clinical only sample without TV subgroup. We synthesize findings around three focus VMD-based predictors of success, optimal developmental windows, and training effectiveness, emphasizing representative task design. Any 800 certified records, uh, and then 180 duplicates were removed, 655 for screening, and 63 full text, SS 40, and 23 not retrieved, SS 40, include 25 studies in the synthesis. The result is key predictors of sport success uh, are perceptual motor development components. Across studies, three clusters emerge. First, perceptual cognitive skill, visuospatial working memory, selective and peripheral attention, anticipation, and decision-making under time pressure. Second, visual motor factors, binocular, contrast efficiency, and effective quiet eye, gaze behavior. Third, perception action, coupling the capacity to link representative cues to rapid, accurate motor responses in drive, perceive efficiently, decide quickly, execute precisely. Evidence highlight age and experience effect are evidence in team sports under 80 Acting athletes typically outperform under 16 athletes on visuospatial and peripheral attention tasks. Generic 360 object tracking improves test performance but shows limited transfer to passive or small-sided games when motor responses are absent. Representativeness matters. Fine manipulation improves under binocular viewing among children aged 10 until 30 years old. Motor coordination correlates strongly with movement response and reactive agility, whereas decision time is comparatively stable. Thus, trend decision and execution as complementary components. 2. Developmental windows. Age 3 until 6 years old build a broad fundamental problem skill base with emphasis on object control. Age 6 until 8 years old, tipping point. Motor competence aligns closely with physical activity, perceived competence, and fitness begin linking fundamental open skill to simple decision tasks via small-sided play. Age 9 until 11, refine perception action, integration and speed, accuracy control with increasing time, research, and realistic cues. Uh, Up 12 years old, readiness-based specialization, increase sport-specific practice while preserving variability to maintain adaptability. What training effectiveness? Structured programs consistently outperform free play for improving fundamental movement skill, especially object control, which often lacks. A commonly effective dose is estimate 60 minutes per session, 3 times per week for 10 until 20 weeks. Representative practice, real information coupled with real motor response yields better transfer than generic perceptual drills. Coach and teacher led approaches expand opportunities and sustain implementation quality in schools and clubs. Sustainable specialization rests on a perceptual motor foundation. Three key drivers: perceptual cognitive, visual motor perception, action coupling. Representative practice enable transfer. See, design, execute. Stepwise pathway 3 until 6 years old fundamental movement skill, 6 until 8 years old link to decision, 9 until 11 years old integrate, and up 12 years old readiness-based specialization. Effective that's mean 60 minute, uh, 3 times per week, 10 until 20 weeks. Prioritize object control. Invest in coaches or teacher. Monitor MC, PMC, PA, fitness. Include 3 until 6 more retention checks. And train C, design, execute. Earlier, more often, more like the game. In short, sustainable specialization rests on a perceptual motor base and representative practice. See, design, execute. Let's design training that mirrors real game information and empower coaches and teachers to deliver it. Thank you.